Hello and welcome to OneStepNow, my YouTube channel where I review all kinds of things that I use in my YouTube channels. I have 5 of them to generate content quickly, efficiently, and still make quality content but not have to spend a lot of money. So if those kinds of things are interesting to you, I'm releasing videos all the time. Please subscribe, please hit the like button if you like this video. Turn on notifications, new videos coming out all the time. So today I want to talk about having a good pair of studio headphones, which I believe you're going to need. And by the way, everything I talk about in this video is available through links in the description. That's a great way to support the channel easily, even if you don't buy anything. Just use that link and you support OneStepNow. These are the Audio-Technica MX20x's, and they were my pick, are my pick. I've had them now for a year and used them extensively to produce hundreds of videos and a lot of music. And they are the best choice under $70. You know, the prices vary, but that's about the range. To get a quality pair of headphones like this for 70 bucks is certainly a bargain. They are true sound studio type headphones, so they're the kind that you really want to hear actually the sound and not some, like, you know, bass pumped up kind of version of the sound that some headphones can do. Comes with a nice long, I like the cable, the way that it doesn't tangle easily, I guess is the way to describe it. But, you know, it comes with an easy adapter. These are the kind of the gold-plated type. And that's important because, by the way, if you are interested in any of the stuff I'm pointing to here, links to it is in the description as well. This is my Focusrite, basically analog to digital converter, and where you can plug in 2 microphones or 2 guitars or whatever, but it takes a large headphone jack, right? So if I want to listen to things that way, and actually I just control the sound here, which goes into my PreSonus mini studio speakers, which have excellent low end and are very small, compact, as you can see. But those require the smaller jack, right there. So that's not going to fit, and then you can just flip it to the smaller one. So that's excellent. Now there's some cool things about these headphones I would point out that I like a lot. One of them is that it's beefy construction. It's not little, you know, like even the metal in there, see how it's like a thick strip, like things like that. It's just a sturdy constructed thing, and I've been using it for a while. You can see it doesn't show a lot of wear and tear, which is kind of cool. Of course, I love the sound quality of it, very clear, especially when making music, when you're really changing the tones. The fact that these are so big and fit right over your ear, it's comfortable to wear them for a long period of time, which to me is the most important thing almost. But nice, soft, for sure, headphones on that. And then the other thing is the price. You know, I don't want to go spend $200 or $150 on headphones. I just want it to sound good and so on. And so I would say, you know, for the price, these are quite excellent and durable and so on and so forth. Now you can get all kinds of additional ones. They have models, you know, much higher than this, but, you know, for me that was the right one. It certainly checks every box I needed to check. And here's the last thing I would tell you. I also purchased this, and I always do this for the things I get like this, because it just makes them last longer. You know, like you could buy a product protection plan, or you can just buy a case, and 9 times out of 10 the case is just a good idea, the better option. So, you know, I store these inside this case when I'm not using them, because I'm not always using them. A lot of times I'm using these sweet PreSonus. I'd much rather actually use the speaker than use this, because it's, you know, kind of hot and uncomfortable. But anyhow, so yeah, I would recommend getting the Audio-Technica. If you like this video, go ahead and click on the link to check them out, see how much they're running on Amazon, and hopefully you're making lots of great content on your channel. Love to hear how you're using these, and have a great day. Take that one step now.